KadeK campers, anytime, anywhere. Let's tour our mini campervan. This is the cockpit part. This Toyota LiteAce van is very classic and I really like the design. This is the cabin part, which is where we shelter to rest, sleep and eat. This is the way to the cockpit. The van is quite simple, so we need to be creative in using the available space. Several storage compartments are available. This sofa will turn into a bed when time to sleep. These switches control the use of electricity in the van, lamp, television, and fan. When resting, we can watch movie. This is another storage compartment. Let's see our cooking part. These sections can be extended for the sink, our kitchens, and cooking utensil storage. Another water. This is our fridge. Let's look at the top of the van. Here there is enough water tank for 2 days use for cooking and bathing. Also available solar panel electric use in the cabin. That's all I have.